Hello everybody, this is going to be part 3 of the ceiling fan sightings around Niagara Falls with Brandon E. Johnson. This is going to be a shorter video of just the ceiling fans around the Niagara Falls, Ontario Great Wolf Lodge. So here we go. Enjoy. Hello everybody, we're with Brandon E. Johnson in a gift shop at the Great Wolf Lodge here with this Hampton Bay ceiling fan. We're not sure the model name of it.
I was sure what it is, but I forget now.
Okay, I recognize it too, but I've not really seen them very often in white. There's the control for it over there.
Yeah, the remote is right there.
And then here are the fan. Here's a quick glimpse of one of the fans in the water park.
Which we'll go look at next.
Yeah. Or actually, we can do it in the same video.
No, let's cut.
Well, I'm gonna go do it in the same video. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, there's another one down there.
So, I don't know how well you can hear me. It's very loud in here, but so here's actually we can get a close-up of this big A right here. So here they have in some of the cabanas, there are some of these. Look, I can tell that looks like a Monte Carlo canopy. Now I just noticed there's a different type than this one here.
Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah, this is the type they had at the Canada Great Wolf Lodge cabana.
Canada, you say?
Yeah, with lights though. They have some more up there, but I'm going to have to figure out how to get up there without getting any of my stuff wet. It's going to be a challenge.
Yeah, we'll do it a separate clip.
Yeah.
Let's stop here. Quick.
Are you ready, Hoovers? Are you on the final? I said, are you ready, Hoovers? Yeah,
Hello, everybody. Here's a CRAFTMADE Frontier in the golf cart area at the hotel. This is the only one that was put in when they built the hotel in 2006. The rest were added. So yeah, you can see it does have a little bit of a wobble there, but it seems to be holding up pretty well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. Alright guys, so that's it for part 3. Stay tuned for part 4. Thanks for watching.